Welcome back to RevIO PSA University. The timesheet screen is where you can view all the time logs entered by technicians as they work tickets. You can view this information by customer and by ticket, with both weekly and daily views available. You can also see the utilization percentage of the tech from this view. In this video, we will cover viewing the timesheet and working with the records on this screen. To get started, select Service from the sidebar menu. Then select Timesheet. On the timesheet page, the system will default to show the data for your own user, but you can choose another user from the Select Tech drop-down list if you need to look at a different technician. The system will default to the current week for the weekly view, but you can use the forward and backward arrows to navigate to other weeks. Clicking the Today button will quickly get you back to the current week. The weekly view at the top will display any customers the tech has created time logs for. You will see the time for each day of the week, along with a weekly total over on the far right for each customer. If you click the small down arrow on a customer row, PSA will open more detail and display each ticket that a time log was created on for that particular customer. Clicking the Ticket ID chip is a quick link to open that ticket if you need that. As long as the ticket is still open, an Edit Time Log link will be available to allow you to edit that record if you need to. If you make any changes on the time log record, make sure to save the changes. You can view daily utilization percentage for the tech you have selected. Each day has a percentage, and over on the far right, you'll see the weekly utilization percentage number for the tech. Scrolling down to just below the weekly view, you can see the daily view pane. You can use the forward and backward arrows to change the day and view individual time log records. You're limited to viewing just the days that fall within the week you have selected up above at the weekly view level. If you need to see a different day that is not available, you'll need to go back to the top and change the week that you are viewing. If you click the small information icon on a record, PSA will display a quick view of the notes on that time log record. You'll also notice that open ticket items will display in color on the left side of the item on this daily view, but closed tickets are grayed out to indicate that it is a record on a closed ticket. The Time Management section over to the right will show you if the record you have selected from the daily view pane is a billable item or not, along with some other billing information. As long as the ticket is still open, and you have the permission to do so, you can make changes to the billable item fields here. You can alter whether the item is billable or not, or even change the rate if you need to override that. Make sure to save the record if you make changes. That's it for the timesheet view. Thanks for watching. Make sure to visit the Help Center in RevIO PSA to access the video training library for more training videos. You can also search for articles on a topic or access our full suite of product documentation from there. Don't forget, we love to get your feedback. It helps us know if we are on track or not, so we can focus on the areas of the system you need the most help with. See you next time.